Hi guys, welcome to Pakupaivu channel. Please subscribe our channel for more excellent and fantastic videos. Do you want to improve the traffic to your YouTube channel? Do you want to have more viewers into your YouTube channel? Then search engine optimization is one best way to do this. I had posted a video in Pakupaivu channel yesterday related to project management, which is at the top. So if I go to YouTube search and click the term project management, there will be list of videos will be coming at top. These are the ads, and in top videos my video which I had posted yesterday is on top 3. Do you want to know how to do this? Then search engine optimization will help you for sure. We will see in this video how to make use of search engine optimization to promote your videos. vidIQ is one app which is available in Google Play Store and Apple Store, as well as there is a Chrome extension which you can make use in Google Chrome Google Chrome server browser as an extension. You have to just sign up this app and connect your YouTube channel. Once you connected your YouTube channel, you can see the videos whatever you have posted in your channel get listed here, because vidIQ is one of the authorized app of YouTube. So here they will give you ideas, 3 ideas every day. So I am posting related to air conditioning projects and all. They are giving me 3 ideas every day. If you are a pro user, if you pay for subscription, then you will get more ideas on what topics you can post videos. So for free subscribers, you will get 3 ideas. The next thing is optimize your videos, that I will show you at last. Then there is option to top keyword opportunities. So here when I click manage, so these are some of the keywords which I am using in my videos and I have saved it. So once I have done with this app will show some of more keywords which I can make use of, which shall bring more traffic to the channel. HVAC technician, HVAC training videos are some of the keywords which is showing. Then while creating your YouTube channel itself based on your interest of your YouTube channel, they will show you some of the competitors. Then later on their performance and your performance are getting compared. Then next thing, they will show what are the current popular videos related to your YouTube channel from your competitors. The most important thing is optimization. Optimize the video. It is shown here, as well as you can go to this tab and you can see. I will go to the video which I had posted yesterday. Here they will show you SEO score. SEO score will help you to rank your search engine optimization ranking. So for this video SEO score is 50. In general 45 is good. So you need to have a score of 45 above for your videos, so that it will be placed on YouTube searches in front page. Then go to checklist. So it will show you whether the title is perfect or not, whether your description is perfect or not. It carries the taglines, whether it is having some links and everything, whether the tag lengths are perfect or not, then whether your video is public or not. So this is a kind of a checklist which you can make use of, and you can make wherever green tick is possible. So here most of the cases I have made green tick, except Facebook and closed captions, due to which my video is shown on top 3 related to project management today. So you can make use of this optimization tool for your video. And another one good thing is you no need to go to YouTube for editing the content of the video. You can edit it in this app itself, because as I have already told you, this is one of the authorized app of YouTube. So now hope you have understood how to make use of search engine optimization using vidIQ. So subscribe our channel for watching more such videos, and we will win together. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.